Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Leora. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my hair care routine and how I get this super silky straight hair. A hair care routine has been highly requested on my channel for a long time now. So today I'm going to be showing you what I do. My hair care routine is actually very simple and super easy. I don't use a whole lot of products. I like to keep it simple. So if you're interested to see how I take care of my hair, just keep on watching. So firstly, I get a lot of questions of how I keep my hair straight, and I naturally have straight hair, but I do like to really make it super straight because that's one of my favorite hairstyles. So what I use to keep my hair straight is Nutree. So today's video is sponsored by Nutree, and this is like a protein hair mask to keep your hair really straight and silky. It is a Brazilian brand, and we know how beautiful Brazilian hair is. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll a clip of how to apply the products and what I do. All you're gonna wanna do is take your hair out, apply the product all over, and you wanna leave that in for 40 minutes to really let it soak into your hair. And then after 40 minutes, you want to rinse your hair through. And then I also use the Nutree shampoo and conditioner. It's anti-frizz shampoo and conditioner, so that also helps with just keeping your hair super straight. And then after that, you just want to blow dry your hair, and that heat is just going to help with the product of keeping it straight. And then right after that, take a flat iron and just straighten your hair with that. Again, with the heat, that's just going to really help it stay straight and keep that product in there. And this is what it looks like after that. So now to the other product that I absolutely love. I use this every single day. I use this like 2 to 3 times a day, and that is argan oil. As you can see, this is like almost out. I use this all the time. It's my ultimate favorite. This keeps your hair nice and silky and soft, but it doesn't leave it looking oily. So I love this stuff. I just put some in my palm, rub it together, and just run it through your hair. I like to put some on the top of the roots here too, so there are no frizzy bits sticking out. And then I'll just brush through that to get the product evenly everywhere. So another product I've been loving is this Trader Joe's hair mask. This has shea butter and coconut oil. So I like to do a hair mask maybe like once a week. This says to put it in the shower before you shampoo and conditioner, but I like to do this actually when my hair is dry and just keep it in for like an hour or even the whole day if I'm not doing anything and I'm just chilling on the couch. So I keep this in and then I'll rinse it out, and my hair feels so silky and smooth after I use this. Honestly, you can use any kind of hair mask. I think they're all pretty much the same. So the last thing that I use, this is for my color treated hair. This is the John Frieda Color Refreshing Gloss. I'll use this in the shower if I want like a little touch up on my hair color, and it just refreshes the color. Alright guys, so that is all from my hair care routine. It's super simple and super easy. Like I said, I don't like to overdo it. I like to keep it simple. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Depop, all at Leora Lapointe. And I will see you in my next video.